thermocouple module NI9211, which is connected to a single slot compact DAC chassis, and the single slot compact DAC chassis is connected directly to my laptop via a USB cable. So now, to check that our hardware is connected properly, I opened an NI software called NI Max or NI Measurement and Automation Explorer. It is a free piece of software that shows you all the hardware devices connected to your computer. So in NI Max, I click on Devices and Interface, search for our module, which is the NI USB 9211A, click on it. Here, we can also change the name of the module, click Save, and exit. Now, we open LabVIEW. Select the blank VI under the Create project. When we select the blank VI, two windows will pop out. The front panel, where the user will interface with the program. It could be an HMI, graphical, or any type of user interfaces. And we have the block diagram, where the user will write and compile the program. Now, to acquire and measure the temperature from our thermocouple module input, we need to select the DAC assistant. So we need to go to the block diagram, right click, go to Express, select Input, DAC Assistant. Now our module is a thermocouple input, and our aim is to measure the temperature from the thermocouple. So we need to select the acquire signals, go to Analog Input, select Temperature, Thermocouple. And here we can see our thermocouple module input, which is the USB 9211A. It has 4 inputs, AI0, AI1, AI2, and AI3. And now I'm going to select all the inputs and click Finish. When we click Finish, a small test panel will pop out to configure our DAC assistant. So first we need to click Run. And then observe our temperature inputs 0, 1, 2, and 3. And it seems that in the table, temperature 0 is the only channel displaying a realistic number, unlike temperature 1, 2, and 3, because we connected our thermocouple to input 0. So now we can delete temperature 1, 2, and 3 respectively. After that, we can click OK. Now we wait for LabVIEW to build our VI. So our aim is to acquire and measure temperature continuously. So let's start our program. It is very easy and straightforward. First, we need to go to the front panel, right click, go to Numeric, and select the thermometer. We can also make it bigger. Also, we can right click on the thermometer and select the digital display just to visualize the exact temperature. Now we go to the block diagram and connect our data to the thermometer. And to run our code continuously, we need to put the code inside a while loop. So first, on the block diagram, we select right click, go to Structures, While Loop, and put our program inside the while loop. Here we need to add a stop button in order to control our program whenever we want. We can bring the stop button to the middle and make it bigger. Now let's run our program. You can see that the thermometer is displaying at 21 degrees Celsius, which is the ambient temperature of the room. Now, if I put my fingers on the thermocouple input, I will notice that the temperature is increasing. And when I remove my fingers from the thermocouple input, the temperature will drop down again. until it reached the ambient temperature. Now we can click stop to end our program. So you saw how easy it was to acquire and measure temperature using LabVIEW.